Let's take a look at these examples. We have to find how much is 9 to power 1/2. Okay, the very first step which you're supposed to do, you're supposed to look at the number which is in the denominator of your exponent. It's 2. Next, you have to ask yourself what number raised to the second power, because I have 2 in the denominator, is going to give me 9. So this is number 3. 3 raised to the second power is going to give me 9. And I'm going to keep my exponent 1/2. Okay? Next, you have to use the property of exponents, which says anytime I have number raised to the exponent and everything is raised again to the exponent, we have to multiply the exponents together. In other words, internal exponent has to be multiplied by the external one. Right? So in this case, I'm going to do exactly the same thing. Now, but because I have fraction outside of the parentheses, I can convert also the exponent which is inside of parentheses also to fraction. Okay? Now, remember, anytime you multiply fractions, you have to multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. So if 2 times 1 is 2, and 1 times 2 is 2, which is equal 3. 2 divided by 2 is 1, and 3 to the first power is simply 3. This is the solution to my problem. Next, you have to look always at the denominator of your exponent is 3. And ask yourself question, what number raised to the third power is going to give me 64? Okay, the answer is 4. 4 to the third power is going to give me 64. I have to copy down this exponent. Now, because I have exponent outside of the parentheses expressed as a fraction, I'm going to convert the exponent which is inside of the parentheses to fraction 2 by writing 3 over 1. Again, I'm going to use this property. I'm going to multiply external exponent by internal. And I'm going to have 4. Remember, anytime you multiply fractions, you have to multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by the denominator. That's why you are going to have 3 over 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. I have 4 to the first power. 4 to the first power is equal 4. This is the solution to my problem. Let's take a look at this example. Okay? Again, I'm going to look at the denominator of my exponent is 3. I'm supposed to ask myself question, what number raised to the third power is going to give me negative 27? The answer is negative 3. Okay, raised to the third power. And I'm going to copy down this exponent. I have 1/3. Okay? Now, because I have exponent outside of the brackets expressed as a fraction, I'm going to convert internal one also to fraction. Again, I'm going to use this property, and I'm going to multiply these exponents together. I'm going to have negative 3, numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator. I'm going to have 3 over 3, which is equal negative 3 to the first power, which is equal negative 3. This is the solution to my problem.